Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Spark Plug. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to do all the Boolean operations that is there, that is intersect, join, and of course the cut in Fusion 360. So to that, make sure you have two different components like I have here. One is the cubical body, another one is a sphere. As you can see, they both are different components. So let me just place it over here so that it could intersect with each other, so that we can perform Boolean operation within them. So all the Boolean operation can be found in the modify, and if you just go through it, there's a command called combine. So for that, just click on that command, and then first thing you have to select is the operation. We will start by making the join operation. Remember, the first thing is asked is the target body and the tool body. So the target body, let's select the cube, and for the tool body, let's say this sphere. Then if you want new component, or you just want the tool body to be merged with the target body, and if you want a new component, then you can click on the new component. And if you want to keep the tool, if you don't want to delete the target and the tool body, you can just click on keep tool, and if you just press OK, you can see that there's a new component here. And if I just hide these two, new component, which is combination of the first two components. And if I didn't made that take on the keep tool, then all the previous bodies would have been deleted. So this is how the combine will work in Fusion 360. Now let me just undo things. Now I will show you how to make the other operation. For this time, let's select the cut operation. Again the similar thing, for cutting the target body, for cutting operation, the target body needs to be the body which needs to be cut. So for that, let's select the cube and the tool body, which is going to be the tool for the cutting operation. So let's select this sphere, again new component, and I want to keep the tool, and press OK. Now if I just hide previous two bodies, you can see our target body was this and the tool body was this sphere. So we got a beautiful cutout of this sphere in this cubical body. Now let me just undo the things once again, and if I just click on combine, now the last thing which is left is the intersect. So intersect, you don't have to select any target bodies or the tool body. You can select any one of them as target and another one as the tool body, because what it will do, it will make a solid block of the intersection of both the different bodies. Again, click on new component. I want it to be a new component. I also want to be the keeps to be the tool to be there. So select the two bodies and just press on OK. Now if I just hide these body, you can see a different body has been created, a different component has been created, which is actually the intersection of both of the previous bodies. So this is how the Boolean operation is performed in Fusion 360. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Please comment any queries and suggestions for my upcoming videos. Good night.